The next topic which we are going to discuss is algebraic method. In that second topic, that is elimination method, we are going to discuss. In the elimination method also we have three types of solution here. All these types we are going to discuss here. Let us understand this method first. Elimination. Eliminate means cancelling the one. Eliminate means cancelling one and finding one value and taking that value and substituting in the next equation and find the second one. Now see here, let us understand that method. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now see, we have to see the coefficients of x or coefficients of y, whether both the coefficients are equal or not. We have to do here either addition or subtraction here. When we have to do that is, first we have to check whether the coefficients of either x or y is same in both the equations or not. If it is not equal, so then we have to first equalize the coefficient of any one x or y, and then we have to go for addition or subtraction according to the symbol here. Now let us take, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. Now first let us try to eliminate the x value. To eliminate this x, the first equation has the coefficient as 1 and the second equation has x coefficient 2. These two are not same. So what we have to do here is, what is a coefficient here? Take that coefficient and multiply the second equation throughout with the coefficient. And similarly, what you are having in the second equation, take that coefficient and multiply throughout the first one. Let us do that. First equation is 1 and second equation is 2. So the first equation I have to multiply with 2. First equation into 2. So if I multiply, what will happen? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. I have to multiply in each and every term, both the sides of this equation I have to multiply. 2x 2y into 10. Now the second equation I have to multiply with 1 because I have 1. Suppose if I have any number as 7, 9, 10, 21, 31, what number I am having here, with that number I have to multiply the entire second equation. Here I have 1, so I have to multiply this with 1. So 2x plus, sorry, here I have minus, so this is minus 3y is equal to 4. Now we can do addition or subtraction. What is the sign? Both are having plus sign. So this is also plus, this is also plus. So I can do minus here. Subtract means change the sign. So this minus will become plus here. This plus will become minus here. Now plus 2x and minus 2x both get eliminated. Both get eliminated. Now see this one. Add up these two. So what will happen? 2y plus 3y equal to 5y. That is equal to, here what is there? 10 minus 4, that is 6. So y is equal to 6 by 5. I got the y value here. Now take this y value and substitute in the first equation. Any one of the equation we can substitute. Let us substitute it here. In the substitute y in equation 1. So x plus 6 by 5 equal to 5. X is equal to 5 plus 6 by 5, when goes to next side it will become minus 6 by 5. Cross multiply here, 25 minus 6 by 5. So x is equal to 19 by 5. So I got x value and I got y value. So this equation have one set of solution, that I have that unique solution here. Now let us go for example 2. Now see here, let us take the next equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Now this is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. Now see here, we have to equalize the value here. So let us take any one. Now here let us try to eliminate the value of y. See, in this 4 I have, 6 I have, 18 I have. We are going to eliminate y. Y means check the y value whether it is equal or not. Here I have 6 but here I have 3 only. So what I can do here is, if I multiply 2 with this equation, I will get this 6. So the first equation multiply with the 2. So if I multiply with 2, what will happen? 4x plus 6y is equal to 18. Similarly, you can write this as such because it has 6y only. Directly I have 6y. So these are equal. So no need to multiply anything here. So this is equal to 18. Now see this equation. Every term is getting cancelled. Here plus and plus is there. If I do subtraction here and if I do the sign change, this side both will get cancelled. 0 is there. This side also cancelled 0. So 0 equal to 0. This statement is true here. This is true statement with no variable. I don't have any variables here, so therefore this pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions. The next is example 3. Let us take the equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Now see here, let us try to eliminate the x value here. Take this as first one, take this as second one. Now first equation I have to multiply 2 here because 2 into 2 4. So these two value will become equal. So this is 4x plus 6y is equal to 8 into 2 will become 16. Now next equation write as such, no need to multiply anything because x values are same here. So this is equal to 7. Now plus and plus is there, so do subtractions here so that sign change will be there. Both are getting cancelled. Here it is 0, this is equal to 9. See here, I got the answer 0 is equal to 9. The 0 value is not equal to 9. So this is a false statement with no variables. Therefore, pair of linear equation has no solution. That is, it is inconsistent. See here, in the elimination method, unique solution x value and y value are there. Infinite many solution, both are equal to 0 with no variables, and no solution, these two are not equal. False statement with no variables, so therefore it is inconsistent.